take a break. Greetings from Morocco. The weather's very hot. I've been here since Monday and I'm having a wonderful time. I'm staying with my friend Mohammed. He lives in Marrakesh. Marrakesh is famous for its beautiful buildings, palaces and its market. I've already been to the market. We visited it on Tuesday. You can't imagine how noisy and crowded it was. I bought some lovely handmade souvenirs there. I even rode a camel in the desert outside Marrakesh yesterday. It was fun. I've also been to a traditional restaurant. Mohammed took me there last night. I tried tajine, a Moroccan dish with chicken, fruit, vegetables and spices. The place was fantastic and the food was just delicious. There are a lot of things I haven't done yet. I haven't been to the palaces yet and I haven't visited the museum. We are going on a day trip to Casablanca tomorrow and we are going to visit the museum one of these days to see the exhibits. We are also going to visit Rabat, Morocco's capital city. Morocco is a fascinating country. You must visit it one day.